Very neat, and welcome to the Enchanted Oak. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of our, I guess you can call it our craft room. This is where the majority of our business stuff is done. Creation, storage, things of that nature. We're working to get it all organized and things like that. So let's get the camera turned around and I'll take you to each section here so you can see how we're doing it. Pardon the mess. We are still organizing it and getting everything together and ready. We've got a new inventory system coming in today. So some things will be changing. We're going to be barcoding everything. So some stuff isn't on our inventory that's finished, isn't out. Because we're waiting to get all that in. So let's get you turned around here. All right, so as we come in, random bookshelf, dartboard, we have our cabinet here. This is where we keep all of our herbs. We've kind of put a label so it's easier to find. And we'll be doing some more organization of that. And then right here is going to be, and y'all know, Damien does dream catchers, but he also does soap. So this is going to be his little area. We still got to get it all finished. He's got his drawers down here for his supplies, the microwave and the burners there. But we're working on getting that done. This rack is going to be for our natural products inventory, as well as additional storage space there. And this is our natural products work area. We got our molds, some containers underneath. We have the little drawers that have, these got different butters in it, all of our beeswax, powdered stuff, things like that. Up here is more of the liquids, the oils that we use. And then I have these two shelves here for our essential oils that we use in our products. So that is where we work on our natural products. We just got some little crates to put up here for teas, accessories, just added storage there. Now here we have, this used to be my herb cabinet. I used to keep my herbs here. This is where I did blending for the teas and incense and stuff. This is actually going to be our packaging center. So as products come done, if they need packaging, we'll do all that here. We just actually did some incense there. Packaging boxes. Yeah, fix that door. Things like that. So that's where our main packaging will be going. We have this grid wall here. This is actually where our incense is going to go. So we have the little hooks. We'll put it up so we can put our finished inventory up there once it's barcoded. There's Gabriel. And that's where we'll have the incense there. So since we have that there, it's only natural to have the messy table. We've got a lot of stuff just sitting here that needs to be organized and sorted. This is where our incense is made. So we have our blanks and our resins up in there. And then we have our shelves with our fragrance oils, which I keep fragrance oils separate from the essential oils. Most of my incense is done with the fragrance oils. I do some with essential, most of it is fragranced. And then moving along, this is the main area. So up here, now granted, this shelf is actually somewhere. I took it down for wire. I'll have a wire in this one. Just imagine it there. We've got wood burning stuff, sewing and knitting, fabric. The shelves are great to put supplies needed on. I also have this here. It hangs above the table. I've got Mod Podge and Bacon Bond. I've got some clay here, tools, and inside is my clays. This is the general work area. If you saw our clay pendant, well, not clay, abstract art pendants, those are actually the finished ones right there. Came out really good. They're still drying. Yeah, this came out really good. And then over the side table, we have our nail polish for our eyes and other projects, acrylic paints, other paints up there, sewing machine. We have these down here that is used for sorting chainmail, stones, beads, you name it. That's jewelry, finished jewelry in there that we take to shows. We've got more totes down here. So that's the main craft area. And then over here, again, still a work in progress. We've just got some finished inventory with burning incense, incense burners, soap that Damien's made, that we're getting get barcoded, put in their stuff. And then that's about it. I mean, we've got our miniature library. So if you want to take a full look, it's not, I don't want to say it's small. It's relatively big. And then what is this? The office. It's where the editing stuff and my work stuff is. So there you have it. All right. So yeah, that is where our magic happens. Like I said, it is a work in progress. We went from basically using the full house, all the spare rooms in the house, to bringing it all down here, getting it organized in the sections. Every place has its purpose in a way, and it's a lot easier. But I wanted to give you a tour of it. Again, it's not completed entirely. Hoping here soon we'll be able to have everything done once we get the new inventory system in and get it. I'll show you an after. Probably be done in pics. I'll post pictures on Facebook as we get areas completed and finished. You can see. So, but that about does it here. Don't forget, we do have a giveaway going on now. There's a video that's posted. I'll link it up here if you haven't checked that out. I also have links down in the description for Facebook, Twitter, website, all that fun social marketing stuff. So be sure to check it out. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and give it a press that subscribe button. If you want to get notifications when we post a video, trying to do it daily. We're getting there, people. I promise. Hit the little bell notification, and YouTube may or may not notify you that we posted a video. Yeah, so that about does it. So I will get out of your hair. I've got some more things to do here. And I hope y'all have a magical day. Bye.